So family, when it comes to providing your skin and your entire body, your cells, with the 102 plus minerals that our body needs to thrive, here's Sebi saying it.
Scientists tell us that there are approximately 104 minerals in the soil. So the body contains the same
amount. It contains the same amount. So we should understand when we provide our cells with these minerals, we get the glow. Simply because we're feeding our cells the minerals that each portion of our body specifically needs. Each portion of our body is created from cells. So each aspect of your cells needs specific minerals. And when you have these minerals, you get the glow. Because these are the natural minerals that creation designed for your cells to eat. So it's important to understand that you must do this from an alkaline approach, which is a 100% natural approach. That's all alkalinity means. So if this is something that you would be interested in getting the glow for yourself, go ahead and enjoy the Mineral General today and take in these 102 plus minerals that our body is consistent of. Come on, man, get the glow.